Can you describe this picture in English? Are you really able to say in English whatever you can see here in this picture? We can give it a try, can't we? Let's do it. This is an amazing picture filled with different colorful items. In the middle of the room, we can see there is a round wooden table. On the top of the table, there is a transparent clear vase with some fresh vibrant flowers in different colors like blue, red, white, pink and others. Next to the vase, we can see a white cup, a plate with a bun. And below the table, there is something lying on the blue carpet. But I don't know what this is, so I can't explain. I'm sorry for that. On the left side, there is a beautiful, fluffy white cat. It is sitting on the blue carpet and feeling relaxed, calm, right? And here we can see a bookshelf filled with different books. Moreover, on the bookshelf, there is also a blue vase with different colorful flowers. And the most important thing here, we can see a large green indoor plant which has really increased the beauty of the picture and added natural beauty to this picture. Do you agree with me? On the wall, we can see a framed painting. And above it, we can also see a wall clock here. Coming to the right side, we can see a large window which lets in the natural sunlight, right? And beside it, there are some blue curtains hanging from the top side. And the window sill is decorated with different flower pots. Do you agree? We can also see a nice small drawer here. And there is a cushion lying on the floor. And there's also a table clock here. Furthermore, we can see there is a black floor lamp which is casting a warm light on the sofa, gray sofa, right? Gray color sofa. So this is how you need to explain the picture, right? So try to learn the words first of all, look at the picture and try to know the names in English. Also try to know some adjectives to describe well. And then start speaking, you will be able to speak. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.